During the product design cycle, a part designer must not only design a part per the specifications of its end use, but they must also consider the manufacturability and budgeting constraints. To help reduce the number of design changes and minimize those manufacturing costs up front, many plastic injection molded part designers have turned to seek insights from simulation using Autodesk Moldflow Advisor. Moldflow Advisor is designed for those who may not know the full depth of how sensitive part quality can be impacted when molding with plastic through the use of various wizards, guides, and results. As a design gets closer and closer to the manufacturing stage of part design process, the costs associated to design changes increase exponentially from retooling delays, excess mold testing, and additional material costs. Moldflow Advisor guides the part designer to understanding what aspects of the part or mold design may be contributing to part quality concerns, such as sink marks, part warpage, weld lines, or short shots. It lets the designer test and compare any number of design iterations prior to escalating to the next stage of the design process, ultimately reducing the risk of needing to make design changes later on. Simulation also provides the opportunity to optimize processing windows, leading to fewer delays during the first test shots of a mold. Autodesk Moldflow Advisor empowers the part designer to simulate and optimize part designs early in the design cycle, producing higher quality parts while saving time and money on post-mold build changes.